80 animals.
Frog. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to 80 Animals. Are you enjoying this class? Me too. I like learning about animals. This class we'll learn about frogs. This is a frog. It jumps very well. Let's begin by learning some words. Take a look at the pictures.
Born. A baby is in the woman's body. When the baby gets bigger, it will come out of the woman's body. When the baby comes out, we say it is born. And then the baby begins his or her life. Disappear. If something disappears, we can't see it any longer. In the picture, the magician will make the rabbit disappear. Then we won't be able to see the rabbit. The opposite of disappear is appear. Become. If something becomes a thing, it starts to change into that thing. The picture shows how a caterpillar becomes a butterfly.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Disappear. Become. Born. Now you will read a story. After you read, you will take a quiz. What animal jumps and swims well? A frog could be the answer. A frog is born in water out of an egg. The baby frog is called a tadpole. The tadpole doesn't have legs. It swims with its tail. The tadpole grows its hind legs after a day. After a few days, it grows its front legs. Its front legs are shorter than its hind legs. After a few more days, its tail disappears. Then it becomes a frog. The frog has strong hind legs, so it jumps well. Webbed feet are on the hind legs, so it swims well. Which legs of the tadpole grow first? Front legs. Hind legs. What animal has a tail? Frog. Tadpole.
What is true about the frog? It can swim well. It has strong hind legs.
Did you enjoy the class? I did too. This is the end of our lesson. Good job today. Bye.